Chairman ka GTF ba H Bansiudor nonglang ulai thu bo ulasong Shah Thngan Mynta la arpho Kynta kum kadak jong ka jingi khi persha e kani ka project kani ka jingi khi ka long ban persha e ka jingtei ka ba kinget kan kta e ka mariang bat ka imlang sa alang ha ka jalla bro ka wei kumban chukdau ha ka khandai tarek ki dikhot ka GTF ki la pelong ya ka jingi khi akhmat ka khordop secretariat da ka bara plakat ban penpawi ka jing persha jong ki Hadirin kini, larai ki da ka bos Shah Sardar Police Station, Henry ha ka porjan mit la pelat no eki. Hadirin bala pelat kino ilam jong ka GTF ki la beteng biang ya ka jeng eki Malki ground, banyai pensawa ya ka sur jeng eki jong ki persya ya ka projek, bala wan rak ka sur Khubor ban penjot ya ulum pongdeng ban chna de ki weipat ki jing tei.
Di Komisi Mynta bangin juba pat ya ka kebangi ngilai leng bagi kor jong ka social media pat menem step leng bagi telong Khubor ba nakaliang ka jong ka state government leng bau chief minister hi ula ai ya ka jing pensai bani kata ka clarification buong halor kani ka issue borok kawai te kumbangin reply kumbangin ai pat ka jubab ka jongi sa UCM da ka baburo mi kinong song snong jong snong Meghalaya borok kan keren da ka pareng khnang ban yes nguthu lang utei uba ai ya kata ka clarification So Green Tech Foundation since yesterday has taken a bold step and have gone to the extent to knock the doors of the Secretariat Government of Meghalaya. However, by due use of force and abuse of power, you had misused the administration, the police and the law and order to create that we are bringing a havoc in society. And from the end of the government side, they had came out yesterday the night itself after we have been released from detention. The chief minister himself had come out to all the citizens with an attempt to give a clarification on this entire issue that has been burning Meghalaya and has been putting on us as a plague. First of all, to the government and especially to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, who is also the Minister in charge of the Department of Forest and Environment. You had talked about in an agreement signed between the government and tourism, but you did not mention exactly and the exact details between whom did the government sign this agreement for the luxury resort and spa. Mind you, I will tell you that we know who has the government signed the agreement with. Mind you, we'll tell the government again, we know who has the government called for a tender and who has they specifically constituted an SPV. We have all the papers at hand. And you had come out with an assurance from the Chief Minister himself. He said that there would be no temporary structures on Lumpongdeng Island. We had received through an RTI the consent to establish. Yesterday you came out to the public saying that there would be no permanent construction at Lumpongdeng Island. However, this CTE, it has been furnished from as per the RTI. It is said that this consent to establish has been granted as per the particulars that has been given by the applicant. And if you read at point number 5, subclause 4, the built up area of Lumpongdeng Island, the resort area which includes 36 acres, talks of villas, restaurants, cafes and other facilities. Mind you, Mr. Chief Minister, sir, you are misleading the public. Here they are talking about resort, villas, restaurants, cafes, and you came out yesterday with a clarification saying that there would be no permanent structures. How can a villa be temporary? I'm going to ask you again. We have asked this since the last week. It seems very absurd, and it seems that you are very keen to hide somebody. And moreover, you said that Lumpongdeng Island, the built up area out there would be only of shamianas, tents, pandals. Who are you joking? Who are you fooling? Who are you decepting out here? How can these be temporary in nature when your CTE speaks different? And you are so concerned, I'm going to put it in quotations, that you are also very, very secure about the environment of Lumpongdeng Island. Do you know that that island is not even properly reached out? It is a very remote island. No cars can go through. We can only access to the island by boats. It is untouched, it is pure, it is pristine. Your temporary structures, yesterday you came out, you said that there will be, you'll put up tents, stalls which are temporary for events. It could be music events, literary events. I'm telling you once again, that island out there is for migratory birds. It is a hub for avian species. It is a hub for thriving of flora and fauna. Your music, your festivals will deplete all the biodiversity that is flourishing out there once and for all, once you make it commercialized. We do not want commercialization of the island. Be clear on that, please. We do not want any commercialization on the island because it is pristine. We have every research done on the island, and I'm going to bring you again the guidelines that you had published, the Meghalaya Water Bodies Preservation and Conservation Guidelines 2023. Yourself, your government had talked about noise pollution. You want Lumpongdeng to be commercialized with music, loud music. What kind of parties are you going to hold out there? You're going to disturb the very breeding ground of biodiversity of Lumpongdeng Island. Do you understand or do you not understand that? Now, who is misleading the people? Is it us or is it you who is just sitting there in your office, not even daring to name who are these people who are trying to mislead the public? And also you said that if a CTE and CTO has to be granted, there is some forest permissions that the proponents have to go through. Mind you, I'm going to teach you the law today, that the CTE and the CTO is the subject matter of a state pollution board as per the Air and Water Acts and also the Environment Protection Act. What has the Forest Department to do with the granting of a CTE and a CTO? Your vagueness, your ambiguity in your statements, and all that you're trying to do is to deceive the people and nothing else but yes, is sham. We are refuting the statement that you're giving yesterday, the clarification. It is nothing but a tactic again to confuse the public and to hide somebody. You're shielding somebody behind curtains. Bring out that person in front, because you're touching the very heart, the very big, vast biodiversity of Lumpongdeng Island. It is a remote island, I remind you once again. It is a hub for migratory birds. It is a hub.
Jingsha Thngan kelayat kumba arpo Kynta tamai but kan yai petang kumba ipi. Nila sih mereka rang ba. Lada dei ba kan wan ka balance ban kit mat yap nang ni ro ngilong ke blak loi phenom la on pen khi angi ta la da dai ha kan nok len ti ro te ni suong tang kum ni kinong yalam jungi ba khmat gila da ban kran ringang suban tang kum ni kenyo te kenyo kan ka jing buri bat ka jing persang ban tap ijmeu kata pidang tap ijmeu kata pidang buri pidang aiding yu pajba ulakan ulasat kan ikam dei kam kai kumunong yalam kat ni gila sim ya karai ban Shah Thngan kam dei ke kam ko baret ngis ngusi ban yu i uchip nusa jongi bau persang ban yalam bakla biang menen kasni katrai na pi ki pras pi i ka shai bhag statement ka baning kong ka bangi kwa ban ai ka jubab sha usiam galong ba phia san bat noi ga agreement jubab yu pajba balai phimnot ban jubab ki pras menen dak ba phipin mi ka to statement ba phiong ba phia san agreement bat no te phia san agreement balai phim kedau bej ba phia san agreement bat ka umyam private limited bat ka IHCL pajba phi ban chai kata ka number ar ken mau bha ka foras kamdei kanong issue CTE kamdei kanong issue CTO kamdon ya kata ka authority ban issue kata kadi ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ka ba issue CTE CTO kumka statutory body wat yalam baklai pajba kabalai phiong yangi bapin yasna tang ya kita ki jaka ban penlong program ki festival ka umyam kamdei ke jaka penlong festival kan mau bha udolonong lumpong dang umdei ujaka penlong festival jong pi kan mau bha kani kamdei ke jaka bapin ya wanra ya kita ki celebrities jong pi hangtei pedeng jong lumpong dang kta mental da pinut pajba kan ni ulasat lobitar wat kwa ba kami khliakan pelo wat penkelai ki Samla ngat keren da kabasai kan ni kamdei bang aiding khila adap aiding lupa ngilengin le yusho henry tangkane ka weng kwa banong ngilong ki bejai jai ngi kenhon kepada ti benya bada wat benya kenno ka jing buri kenno ka jing aiding namar ladakas hap yingi ban syong ni spok san singiro ni syong kum ki pajba nong syong snong kani kamdei tang jong ngrentek ngilas dang ya ka jing yakhi da ka jing duai ublei bangi duai ublei bangi ngej bad ublei bangi pan ya kata jing start unom ino yang bad pajba ru un ye kersan ngapan ka jing kersan ngarai khublei baro ki belawan menen bad ki beladon senda jengi ki bela penmi ki statement bad ki jing ai mensem kelang-kelang yang menta ko mang yong kan kam dei ka jing ele jong gerentak kan mau bha ka jing ele ka dei baj ka jing syadi ya khandau ka siap jong ka ri bat jaj benreu pila syadi ya ka khandau ba siap ka jaj benreu ro kalakot ngimdon porsu benang ya buri ngimdon porsu benang ya penjam ngimdon porsu benang ya lekai Samla ka jaj benreu token mau bha ladang ngimlong try hakane ka jaka ladang ngimlong try hakane ka ri saya ingin pet saya ingin ri kenyo ta kenyo berbuat dalam baklasu yo pajba penyatai da kita ki plastik penyatai da kita ki tarpar gumong ya senang ni menta hang teh ulum pongdeng ban penlud da ki spa krur penyatai tarpar penyatai kita ki luxury villa penyatai ki restoran ki cafe ki resort hakano kadur PI hadu unru posnam hadu lai pun ru akas tinggi tangkata hing suang ba kat ba hidang yalai ban buri kata pidang pensat yo pajba
ba ban adu minta dai pila ong bala dan arko tam dai kina kalian ga health department na kalian dokter tuan em bakti
pila ui na du menen ba pila ada ble sat hi yangi bat ki pulit ru pila le da Khubor ngimsem lapan Kenya ka BNSS ngiyadon tang laingut kata di Bansai bat mentaru hajing Shah ki doktor sekala de ban poi nrei yo jing tip ba pila le khnang ban numpa eno eno te kamai le ya kata kumang le dong ipi mene lada dei ban kit yanga unong yalam si hospital ngan lech siposen hospital ngan wan siposen nang ne kata kadi ke basai nomla ban pen sange nomla ban pen kubum but kata bidang lek khnang kata ni rodang ye petang
Dawan hatu pi gumno namar ba thai pi ba ka sarkar ka sakap ni ding dawa jeng namar kumbang ipa menden buka siam ye lek pen kesan be kata ka jeng ong ba thang te national kita temporary om da kita sarkar
habayak yale bat kinong thombor habiyale bat ki rahas pa bat ya bang yale bat kita ki bakwan mentoy kin yale hi ban buri bat kin nom ong hi ba kadai ka ba upaj ba ukran kin nom pediang hi lanol noru ndai kumbang ong nom la su ban buri ka RTI ke jongi ke don hakti mta STO STI ki agreement ki don hakti na dong sedong ai ke tu ka RTI kan dia ni pi kinong ya ki paj ba khanang ba phin yo i da kala ka jong ka khmat ka CTE ka CTE ka ba paj phin la ban yo i ai ka CTE paj uong na amba ka jingya sign kontrak agreement kadai ka tourism department bad ka IHCL zumba ya kani ki pajba kini isnan manta kasingi kadai bad ka Omyam Hotels Private Limited kata ningkong kadai ke jing syukur kabar zumba ya kani uong na amba hau lumpong dang island onom don kino jing tai onom don kino ki permanent construction Kenyo i ha kane ka bangila kedau wang tu ke nombor 4 buat ke nombor 2 ba luxury villas at Lumpung Deng Island Resort area 36 akas buat kita ki build up ki badai na mata ki restoran ki cafe facilities kumta terter kane ru kadai ho Lumpung Deng Phim jaburum phim lerany hadukat ne piburi ula tre uningkong ula persyang ban buri bantap inmeo chwana tourism department lingba commissioner and secretary menrai tadat ngi imat bakim hun kim kedawat baong baka green tech kim nut teman kedawi ngi nomor ngi don lut ikut kisla pin kedawi ngi ngin wan rai kini ngin bu hom ya jong fi takadau ini gibru imat bakim nut sei tu kamap ti saka ei mentah bangin nangi buri pajba kumangila pen iya pi nginom don kam i isu bandang ya buri bandang ya keren pila ban pej thang neru pej uni du Lumpung Deng bekeladap ai 36 akas mah di nang ta pila ban wad ki pajba kumbangila dap ban batai ka Omyam Hotels Private Limited kabis nai kamdai nang ne petang kita hi pajba ngat rai ula sai
te ba ban hatu ki mak kita bentawi ni sakri sabut hatu ki shem kan makani ka jing le ban ta ba miawi ka kam kale se kala bandan de sulandat rede di kam politik se
kandon beji nganong ye pi kani kadai ka skam ka besar khai te ka skam ka besar khai ba balai yangi menta tudat kimla ban pediang ba kalong kumta kumbaki kot kislagi keren nomor ba plus tu hi ladakat yu Lumpung Deng udolunong ubadon hapedeng kapung Omyam the only hydro project biggest hydro project jongka state hydro power plant ka bahe arspa nyo pho unriu megawatt sispa nyo pho unriu ladakat ya kata menta kimut Wata kari India, ayanga hangno utau island hapo jong kari India balak tei ya kita ki 5-star hotel haki hydro power plant. Wada pio ya kata kejubab ngatarai. Kan jiat history ki create hapo Meghalaya kan. Family aran. Like na kata kabapang nut kalong ba katei kadaulan nong Lumpung Deng kadai kayeng jong ki migratory birds. Kisim basyong tay pinsayu is kham shpang ya ki videos ki ban supply ba kajing pun khalam ding tay kumbala pani manen kelas dang Penumla ban buri penumla ban lan so. Bajba menta kidai ban ai ke jubat. Kam dai su Khubor pagindang sangat.